On it, did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris, sailing overseas, then just put me in Gucci, no?
What I do with my life, oh. If you know like I'm with Fatima. Okay, what I do with my money. If I go broke, I go container. Thanks for your concern, I get manager. Don't worry about me, worry about your airline. Underrated, but I'm still cashing out. It go shock you, say I get money, pass your favorite, oh. Oh, 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 Maji, Shulowo, do they spend on your own? Maji, your money, your own. Oh, 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 Maji, Shulowo, do they spend on your own? Maji, your money, your own. Okay, if you rubbish my talent, no be you I sing for, no be your apartment. I can guess you stay with your mommy and daddy at 35, what by Kokaye, if I know in Grammy, I go stay in Grammy, repete, oh my poor vitamin C, my two vitamin C, oh, for me, oh, Maji, Sholowo, don't spend on your own, Maji, day your own.
Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday. Anyway, it's Saturday. Yeah, typical Saturday. I had to do a lot of cleaning. I'm actually not done, but I just wanted to officially open this vlog and just get started with my day. Yesterday was a lot, this morning was a lot, last night was a whole lot. I cried a lot of tears. But it's okay, it's fine, it's just life in, right? My energy is really low, really extremely low, but it's okay. We are done bawling and crying our eyes out. So as I woke up, I just knew like I needed to fix my space together. Actually, this is like a typical Saturday, you know, clean up, do the deep cleaning, all of that. Yeah, so I think I want to take myself out for a treat today because I feel like I deserve it so much, like I deserve it so bad right now. The way I'm feeling, if I keep feeling this way, it's not gonna be good. It's not good for business at all. So I'm not about to disappear on you guys again, because this is what happens and then I just disappear and just enter my shell. But I'm here and we're talking about it, right? We're actually talking about it. Yeah. I think I'll just go out today, you know, change of environment, probably go and see a movie or something. I also want to check out a new foundation. I want to get this Snowbound Beauty foundation, so when I get to the mall, I'll see if I can find it there. I also need to go to my tailors. So yeah, I think it's going to be a day in my life because this vlog goes up tomorrow. Yeah, probably gonna be a day in my life. Alright guys, I'm done talking now. Let me just, you know, get started with my day. Oh wait, before I off this camera, hold on. If you're new here and you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Wendy and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. My energy is usually not this low, but we are going through life, so today just happens to be one of those days. Okay, just subscribe to the channel, join the family. It's fun here. Forget my energy today. It's fun here, I promise you. Okay, okay, now I can off this camera. Bye guys, see you all later. She's ready and she's let's get the fuck out. I'm sorry for cussing, but can they hurry up at least? Alright guys, hi everybody. I am about to step out. Okay, first to the tailor shop, then from the tailors I would now head to the mall. I hope I find everything I'm looking for at the mall, fingers crossed. But as I just dressed up, my energy is suddenly high. I don't know, I just feel good, I feel better, I feel happy to be going out. So yeah, I'm wearing this pink shirt. I don't know, I feel like you guys would have seen it before. Then this bag, and then my jeans, of course. Like, you would always catch me wearing jeans and sandals. But yeah, I have like a full collection of jeans. So yes, there is that. Anyway, bye guys, I'll see you guys when I step out. Hi, good afternoon. Thank you. Oh, it smells so good in here. I am trying to. If I forget your shade, you'll be doing NW47. I'm going to be swatching NW47, so it's on buy one get one.
Next day, laughing, having fun. Thank you. Alex, Abs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, because the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Boys are Leo, boys are Leo. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Boys are Leo, boys are Leo. He doesn't see ya.
Drop bridge! The drop bridge is stopped!
Hi Hi guys. Oh my gosh, this thing is losing. You cannot lose, oh. Come go quite you. I've not even started carrying this here and you're losing. You guys, how is everyone doing? Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I just came back from church. Everywhere is hot and I'm uncomfortable, but I know that if I don't do this intro or this outro now, like I won't have the time to do it again, because yikes. Anyway, yesterday was really good. I had enough time to spend with myself, am I saying? But yeah, I spent lots of time with myself, treating myself. Like, I'm just hoping my gym trainer, like my trainer, doesn't see this video, because I licked ice cream, like two. I had a cone and then a big cup with 4 scoops. Yes, I did. And then I had gummy bears. I had a big popcorn box. Yes. And then I had drinks. I basically just enjoyed myself, because why not? Like, I was sulking so bad. Like, you guys need to see me like on Friday night. Like, right there. Hey! But it's okay. I'm a big girl, okay? I'm a big girl. Anyway, I went to the mall for other things. So I went to get makeup. I couldn't find. Then I went to Sephora. I'll be waiting with the name. I entered there. I don't know who sent me. No, send me message. I entered there. Their customer service, first of all, poor, very poor. Yeah, because tell me why she was giving me attitude, like we don't know each other before. I don't know women, eh? I don't know you. You don't know me. I entered the store. Oh, what are the foundations that you have? And you're sizing me. Like, I will not be able to afford your foundation. Nekonomania or see me see problem. And truly, she did not lie. Oh, God of mercy and compassion. See, yeah, if the customer service was great and she was convincing enough, maybe I would have gotten it, because it was buy 2 for the price of 1. It was like 60k plus. Maybe I would have gotten it. But like, she was already, it's only Mac we have, oh. It's only Mac we have, oh. We don't have any. I say, hey, sister, hold it there, okay? Hold it there. Hey, Jesus Christ. Anywho, let's just move on from that. I also wanted to get a jug, my glass jar that I always used to eat and take my drinks and have fun and romanticize my life. Tell me why this house broke it. And so I had to get new stuff. So I went to Miniso and I got these 2 bottles. Of course, they are pink. Was new. Like, what other color would I get? Every other color is disgusting, right? Like, if you're not pink, then you should be transparent or white at the very least, or maybe black. Why would you be blue or purple? Ew. I'm so dramatic. Anyway, this bottle, I like it because of the smiley face. Is this supposed to be the Miniso emoji? Wait. It is actually. Like, I just even dipped. Can you guys see? Okay, yeah, and I also got this. It also has the Miniso logo thingy here. My camera is about to go off. So, yeah, let me go and start editing this vlog. Unikwa! So, yeah. Let me go and start editing this vlog, for the love of God, because it has to go up today. This day. Like, yeah, agenda must agenda, because you guys are gonna see this video by 6 o'clock. I don't even have a thumbnail, but by nook or by crook, agenda must agenda. Cheer on the fire. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog.